Hello everyone, welcome to the online technicals. I am Girish Deshmukh. Welcome you for the virtual experiment that we are going to conduct today through virtual lab provided by the uh, HRD. Uh, this lab is uh, made by different IITs together uh, to provide the conduction of experiment virtually. So if we can't access our labs as we are there in the pandemic, so we can go with the virtual lab that we have. So the Ministry of Human Resource has given us opportunity, and you can find nearly all IITs and top reputed institutions of India have collaborated to develop these labs. Now, as far as the today's experiment is concerned, we will utilize one laboratory of concrete technology uh, from the virtual lab platform. So for accessing that, I will type virtual lab and concrete technology. The subject which I need for that lab, I will put the subject in front of virtual lab. So as I need the to conduct the experiment from the concrete technology lab, so I will put virtual lab concrete technology in the Google search bar. So it will give me the results. Now in that, if I click the first link, I will be having this page for the our experiment. Now, if you notice, this is not the concrete technology lab, but we have experiments in this lab. So if I click on the home button for this and I go to the experiments in the lab, I will get the list of experiments which are conducted in this laboratory. So particularly, I'm interested to find today the specific gravity of cement. So if I hit this, after clicking this, I will get the theoretical part, and all this content that we have, it is all confirming to the Indian standard only. Keep that in mind. All the lab they are developed keeping Indian standard in front. So we are having now the first experiment as the specific gravity of cement. So please read about the experiment, that how we can conduct the experiment virtually in the procedure section. In the procedure, along with the objective, they have mentioned a very good this user interface, this identification of the user interface, that how we can perform the experiment virtually. Step by step, they have given all the instructions. So let's begin today, and we carry out the experiment for finding the specific gravity of the cement. So for doing the experiment virtually, I will be clicking on the simulator. Now in after clicking the simulator, I will scroll down and I will check what's there on the screen. So it is given objectives and apparatus, and our objective is to find the specific gravity of cement. This is the Le Chatelier flask. Sorry for this, pycnometer is given here. This is the Le Chatelier apparatus that we have for the experiment. Along with this Le Chatelier, we need weighing scale, water and kerosene to carry out the experiment. So let's begin. Now on the screen we have one next button. So all the time when we finish with the step which is there on the screen, we supposed to click this next button. So to begin with, I will click on the next button by left mouse button. So after clicking, now we are measuring the first weight, that is the weight, empty weight of the flask and the stopper. The stopper is always there, so we measure it. Now how we have to carry is, as this arrow is flashing, we have to click somewhere, but where exactly it is, we have to click. If you check the pointer of your mouse, it is the arrow normal, which is around this flask. If we come to the flask, it is turned to the plus symbol. So if we click here, this flask will be transferred on the weighing machine, and we will be having the first weight as 125.3 grams here, which is recorded automatically. Okay, now this first step is complete. So now we are supposed to click the next button. So if I click the next button, now again we are in step 2. In step 2 we have to remove the stopper, and we have to weigh the amount of cement. Now in this case we are adding 64 grams of cement into the flask. So actually doing the experiment in the lab, in the real world, we have to weigh the cement. So that weight we are taking that 64 grams. We are removing the stopper now. Now we have to add the cement here to the flask by clicking this hand with a beaker. So if I click this, so cement will get added in to the flask. That is we are adding known weight of cement. That weight is 64 grams. So we replace this stopper again, and again we click on the flask to transfer it to the weighing scale. So this weight is now 188.3 grams, and this is W2, which includes the weight of flask and cement. Now this step is complete. We have to click here next button. So if I click next button, this is the step 3. So here where I have to remove the stopper, and I have to add kerosene to the flask up to the graduated mark. So if I click on the hand with beaker, kerosene will get added to the flask up to the mark. Now in a real experiment we have to shake this well, as we have to remove the air bubbles. So we shake this flask vigorously, and we check that all the air bubbles are removed. Now if we click this flask complete assembly, so this will be transferred to the weighing machine, and W3, which is nothing but weight of flask, cement and kerosene, will be given by the weighing machine. Okay, now this step is complete. Now to proceed for next step, we have to click the next button. Now here in this next step, we remove everything from the flask, and now we are adding only kerosene to the flask. So we remove the first stopper, then we click the hand with beaker. This will add kerosene in the flask up to the graduated mark. Now we replace the stopper, and we click this flask to transfer it to the weighing machine. Now this weighing machine gives us a weight W4, which is nothing but weight of flask plus kerosene, as 347.7 grams. Now this step is complete. We have to click next button to proceed to the next step. So in the next step, we remove the kerosene from the flask, and we add water to the flask by clicking on this hand with beaker. So if we add the water to the flask up to the graduated mark, and we replace the stopper, then we click on this flask to transfer it to weighing scale. Now we measure the weight. It is W5, that is weight of flask and water, as 63 grams. All these readings are noted down. Now next, if we click the next button, we have here all these readings mentioned here. Now as the specific gravity of cement, we know the specific gravity of cement, standard specific gravity, as 3.15. So if I enter it, and if I hit click, or sorry, check button, then I will come to know that what is the actual specific gravity of cement that we have just tested. Okay, and we got the percentage error in between the standard specific gravity of cement and the actual specific gravity of cement that we have just tested in the lab. Now such 5 trials we have to carry out, and after 5 trials we will take the average of all the readings that will give us the specific gravity of cement. So stay tuned. I will complete this experiment for 5 times. Just watch it. So adding cement to the flask, replacing stopper, weighing it on the weighing machine. This is W2. As we know, the W1 is given. Removing stopper, adding kerosene up to the mark, replacing stopper, transferring this to weighing machine, weighing the weight, noting it down as W3. Now again hitting the next button, removing the stopper, removing everything from the flask. Now adding total kerosene to the flask up to the mark, replacing the stopper, weighing the machine, weighing this flask on the machine, noting the weight as W4. Again removing this and adding only water in the flask. Again replacing the stopper, transferring this to weighing machine. This is W5, hitting next button. Now again 3.15 is your specific gravity, that is standard one. So after hitting check button, we will be having actual specific gravity by the calculation. This does the calculation automatically. This is your trial 2. So doing it again for 3 times. So this is the third trial ended. The specific gravity is found to be 3.097. So next trial. So now the actual specific gravity of cement is found to be 3.16. Hitting next. This is the last trial. So at each arrow flash we have to click. So the fifth trial is over, and lastly I entered 3.15 as our standard specific gravity of cement, and I hit the check button. Now actual specific gravity for the fifth trial is 3.215, and the average specific gravity of all 5 trials, it is 3.14. So this is one of the experiment designed very beautifully by the virtual lab, and this lab is provided by the NIT Surathkal Department of Applied Mechanics. So we all thank you for providing such a wonderful experience of doing the experiment virtually in this COVID-19 situation. So thank you very much. Thank you everyone.